Hello, teacher Cesar. Good afternoon. I am Ellis. God bless you. I'm going to present you my big vacation collab. Big vacation. And first picture, David is on vacation and the big with his girlfriend. He is kissing his girlfriend because he loves her. Second picture, they are enjoying on the beach. They are playing their favorite game with a ball. Third picture, they are running on the beach. They are doing their exercises. Fourth picture, David and his friend are eating seafood and drinking wine in a big restaurant. Five picture, she enjoying the sun on the beach. She is styling her beautiful body. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.